That person left Islam because of those comments. She is also a girl. She became Muslim and she had some tattoos. Of course, she had tattoos long time ago, even before becoming Muslim. So people always used to talk about her tattoos. And another thing, she used to carry a dog. It was maybe a security dog or something. Everybody, those who used to see her in scarf, in hijab, and while carrying a dog, everybody used to talk about dog. Look, we commit thousands of sins almost every other day. At least, tens of sins, hundred of sins. We forget about ourselves, and everybody start giving fatwas to others, and correcting her. Oh, dog is not allowed Islam. Dog is not allowed. And I've seen from my own eyes that one day she literally, threw everything, and she said, "I'm not Muslim anymore." Brothers and sisters, this is our duty. We have to know that insulting somebody is a major sin. Whatever we do on social media, we have angels. They are writing every single thing. So if we become part of such thing, then we will be asked on the day of judgment. And many people, they do it with two reasons. First, they know that nobody is going to catch them. This is then just an ID. I'm not standing in front of people. If I make fun of so and so, let's say, and he is somewhere, who's going to catch me? I'm here in New Jersey. This is what we think. And another reason, we have fake IDs. So we think if somebody will call me back, somebody will answer me back, somebody will comment me back, who cares? This is not my real name. My brothers and sisters, Allah knows every single thing. Allah knows. And even I'm telling you, even social media knows every single thing.